This 5-minute solution will show you how to add Roblox to Steam. Adding your Roblox player to your Steam is really very easy process. Launch your Steam and click on Add a Game and click on Add a non-Steam game. If you have installed the Roblox player in your computer, then you should get Roblox here. All you have to need just check this box next to Roblox and click on Add Selected Programs, and the Roblox will be added to your Steam. And if you can't find your Roblox here, then click on Browse. Then all you have to need just find out the folder where you installed Roblox, and you have to select Roblox manually. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.